Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm traveling back to Switzerland and we are having transit in Doha. We flew with Qatar Airlines and I wanted to show you guys the garden, the beautiful garden that is in Doha Airport. It's really big, looks like a park, and I wanted to share with you guys. So enjoy. This garden is literally inside the airport. It's massive, beautiful. It has real plants, no plastic, and it has some chilling places like this. See? And also it has real birds in it. And there's some also luxury stores over there. Come and see. Kuna luxury stores there. There's Burberry, Bulgari, there's Louis Vuitton over there, Zegna, Boss, Omega. And the plants are real green, eh? Ziko real. Angalia. So I think guys, if you have transit in Doha, this park is really nice to chill. But if you have a transfer, it's practical to come and chill over here. You can even sleep if you want to, because it's a really nice garden. Thank you. Guys, do you see that animation thing going on over there? It's all around the garden. Really beautiful, so amazing. Chanel shop. Chanel store, I meant. So guys, that's it for the video. I just wanted to show you briefly the garden. It's really beautiful. If I find the name of it, I'll just put it down below in the comment section or in the description box. I'm really amazed by this garden. It's so chilly. I'm here for the fourth time, just never vlogged about it, and I just wanted to show you guys. And yeah, so guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, do so. Comment down below. I think you guys are very shy to comment, I don't know, or maybe you don't like my videos. Please comment down below, like the video and share if you can. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.